Testing 1, 2, 3. I think we should be live, guys. So on today's stream, this is just gonna be a quick stream, but I am gonna be going live for the possible tornado threat later today at maybe around 8 p.m. 8 p.m. This is just like a severe weather briefing, kind of just gonna talk about the models, all that stuff, and let's just see who's ready to tune in. Thanks, Chris the Hurricane Tracker. Thanks for tuning in. Also known as my mom. Okay. Hey, Ray Maves. Hi, Chris. Hi, Blaze. Hey, Ray Maves. Why is message? He probably deleted his comment. He deletes his messages, I think. Okay, so thank you all for tuning in. So right now we are just going to get started with talking about some forecast models. So right now we are just going to be talking about, first we're going to be talking about the HRRR model, or we're going to go with the HRRR since that's technically kind of the most accurate. None of the models, guys, is 100% accurate, but this is the closest one to the event because this is the 18-hour run. But as you can see, these are just the temperatures if you want to view the quick temperatures. As you can see, right in Oklahoma, Texas, once again, you are in a heat wave. Unfortunately, you guys are in a heat wave. But as you can see, once the nighttime temperatures come, it tends to cool down, guys. So that's like in an hour, 10 hours, so that's in the nighttime. And in the northeast, pretty warm. So I'm going to get to the severe weather in a bit. I just want to show you guys some. Hold on, let me get it. So let's just get the reflectivity. As you can see, we do have some supercells. I'll zoom into it in a bit. I just want to show you guys the anomalies. Actually, no, that's not good on this one. Okay, let me just zoom in. United States region. And when I get closer. Getting closer. Sorry. Just find it. While I'm finding it, let's read the chat. He deleted messages, I think. Weatherbell. Yeah, I am using Weatherbell, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna let me find the regions. Oh my gosh, it takes me a while to find these regions. If not, we just go the closest. Or should we go up here? Technical difficulties here. Let's go popular. Sorry. Oh, here, states. This is where we want. There's a few states. Oh, this is the Typhoon Magakis right there on the models. Then we're also going to view live satellite imagery. Idaho, Indiana, Iowa. Actually, let's view the Iowa first. Grandma's in the stream. This is good, but what are you looking for? So we're basically looking at the models to see what could happen tonight in the future. I'm going to be at Grandma's house today. Okay, let's just get this started. As you can see, we're going to be looking at the Iowa weather event today. This is the 18-hour run. As you can see, this is right now, hour 0. We got all this precipitation here. But as you could see, by right here is the peak. And that is 10 p.m. Eastern is going to be the peak for this event. Actually, more 11 This is not gonna be as much of a tornado threat, but we really need to keep an eye on this. Look at that. Big MCS, big convective meso system right here. And now let's view that only has a 2% tornado threat, but the main tornado threat is gonna be, wait, where is Montana? No, not Montana. Sorry about this. I'm trying to find the state where and then I'll show you the website for like the risk and everything. If I can't find this. Here, Wisconsin. Okay, we're getting close. It's this state right here. Are you kidding me? It's not even here. Can't find it, so we are just going to be doing Wisconsin, I guess. And you can see some storms go off in Canada here. But as you can see, the storms here, there, these are the tornadic supercells. This is not going to be as much of a line. It's going to be really mainly an MCS. Yeah, I'll do hurricanes soon. See, this is going to be a weather briefing, and we're going to be talking about everything. So I'm just going to go through every one real quick. I know this is boring. I think it's in Montana. No, it's not. Finally, we found it. Okay. Now we're going to really discuss it. So, this is it right now. But as you can see, this is 1 p.m. As you can see, by 7 p.m., see, we have this one discrete supercell. And eventually, by 10 p.m., look at that. Look at all these discrete supercells. Look, even by 10 p.m., a lot of discrete supercells. Dang it, I have to go to bed at 11. See, look, it's still sort of peaking at 11. And then by 12, it calms down. Dang it, I may have to stay up like 11:30 instead. Sorry, Grandma. I may have to stay up till 11:30. Since the first pop-up is at 6 p.m. And then it's just going to keep on going. This is it's not a big tornado threat, a little tornado threat. And now let's get into the outlooks for today. The actual outlooks. Okay, let's go on the National Weather Service's page for this. Let's go to severe weather. So this is the day 1 convective outlook. As you see, we do have a 2 out of 5 tornado threat. We have a 2% down here and the 5% here. Pretty small, 5% isolated tornadoes. Maybe a little more isolated. Possibly could lead to a tornado watch today. Yeah. So, they could be a tornado watch. Definitely probably be a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm not sure about tornado watch. But in an hour from now, 4 p.m., the new outlook update's coming. But as you can see, we actually do have a isolated tornado threat. Let's look at tomorrow's outlook. We do have a massive slight risk of severe weather. Guys, we have a massive slight risk, pretty big slight risk of severe weather tomorrow. As you can see, 5% chance of tornadoes. This event's going to be more of a tornado. Guys, tomorrow's going to be more of a tornado threat than today because it's smaller. And also, as you can see, we have this could go in enhanced versus 10%, but I don't really think so. It's still possible. And the day 3 outlook, we have a marginal risk. For Pennsylvania, no day 4 outlook. And now let's actually get into the tropics. We're going to view Tropical Storm Fiona. As you can see, if we got aircraft reconnaissance, their mission is officially finished. The 8-1 was like just like a thing, but that's because they were leaving. But they were done. As you can see, they found a 1003 millibar system. Their mission has officially been done. So they're probably out of data soon. And now let's view live satellite imagery. Okay, let me just get it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is WSV3, a really great application. As you can see, we do have hurricane warnings in effect right now for the main island of Puerto Rico, guys. And for some reason, it's not showing. It's probably glitched. But we do have a landfall here. It has made landfall. Tropical Storm Lancaster has made landfall in Mexico. Not a big impact, though. Unlike we have, let's try to pull radar out of San Juan, Puerto Rico right now. So let's see if we can see the storm. But we are far away from the radar site, so we may not be able to see it. And let the radar load. Yes, it's on level 2 data. Good. If anyone wants to chat, ask me any questions, feel free to. Okay, let's view this one. That's the baby radar site. We need the big one. So we can see. Okay, here. The storm is somewhere here. If we overlay infrared, the storm's right here. It's bad rate. It's not the best radar quality. But you could see the spin in the atmosphere of the storm. You could definitely see it, guys. Right here is your center of circulation. And speaking of it, this is the satellite imagery. 6-hour satellite image. As you can see, there is a lot of convection here. Like I said, a lot of convection. Can we measure the cloud tops here? Oh, good amount of cloud tops, guys. As you can see right there. They likely could be a wash if I turn on probability of tornadoes. As you can see, there's the 5%. So we would have decent radar for half of it. The rest we won't have best happening tonight or tomorrow. Okay, so this is the risk right here with the 5% today. Tomorrow's risk, we also have a 5% down here in Illinois. Just north of St. Louis. As you can see, look. Do you notice how, Grandma? This, and everyone watching, this is a much bigger 5% than today. This is a much bigger 5% than today. But we still do have the possibility of a tornado tonight too. There could be a tornado watch. It's a 50-50 shot if there's a tornado watch. If not, a severe thunderstorm watch. But here they see, like, again, with a 10%, that's like a guarantee for a tornado watch, and 5% is like 50-50. It's going to happen today or tomorrow, like I just explained. It's going to be a long morning because storms won't be here until this evening. Yeah, in Wisconsin, the storms may hit you like late, or it may not even hit you at all. It's like a 50-50 shot. Okay. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Made for hurricane. I'm able to take any question for you guys. This is like the loop that like shows you. What was that? What the heck was that? And they are expected to become more widespread. Yeah, that's true. Let's get open the typhoon window. Okay, here. And then we're going to look at live radar, and then we may end it. Okay, we're going to look at typhoon that's going to impact Japan later. Tomorrow. Tomorrow it's going to expect to make landfall. Let me find it here. Here it is. Infrared enhanced. Let it load. It's not as high res because it's loading. No, but thank you for the information. Yeah, you're welcome. Wow, any invest? Yeah, we do have invest in the Pacific. Feels like 81 over here. Feels like 81 over here. Wow, Raymond. That's hot for northern Wisconsin. For me, it's 71 degrees, and I'm on the East Coast. Pretty crazy. As you can see, the eye as you can see on this imagery, the eye kind of crumbled right now. As you can see, the eye is crumbling right now because if I could, just the eye is not as high res anymore. And I'm going to open a Google thing. Now let's take, guys, I'm going to leave it on pause. And now let's take some questions, guys. Any question. I'm reading chat now. I got my OBS screen right on now. Should I get my Epic Pen loaded? Sorry. Actually, this should go on the National Hurricane Center's page, mine as well, so I can show you. Like, this is Fiona. We do have a disturbance here with a 20% chance of development, very low chance. Eastern Pacific, we do have, this has an 100% chance of development. Look, guys, 100% chance. It's going to develop any second. It could develop tonight. It could develop any minute now. As you can see, Tropical Depression Lexter has made landfall. It's still a tropical storm wind, but it did put out tropical storm warnings out ahead of this thing. Like I said, that's the invest. In the Central Pacific, we have nothing. Okay. What's your second channel for? Wow. What, you mean Chris the Hurricane Tracker? So the main reason, that's my, actually, Ray Maves, Chris the Hurricane Tracker is my main channel. This channel is just for live streaming because I can't live stream on that channel. It won't let me. It's because I'm underage and I showed my face and then that was the end of it. So I hope I get it back when I turn 13. That's basically the story why this channel is a thing. Yeah, basically. We do have hurricane warnings and a hurricane watch for Dominican Republic. Not good. Wow, this thing eventually could possibly impact Bermuda eventually. What's this? How to use the cone graph. What the?
Hi, I'm John Cangelosi.
And I'm Robbie Burr, and we're hurricane specialists.
They're just
But let's start with the don'ts.
just displaying the
Hazards associated with a storm usually extend beyond the edge of the cone. So don't use the cone to assess your risk of strong winds, storm surge, heavy rainfall, or tornadoes.
Yeah, so this guy basically said don't use the cone, the cone that they give you. That doesn't mean you're not going to get strong winds, storm surge, heavy rain, and tornadoes. That just means where the center is going to go. The center of the storm is going to go. Okay. Hopefully the severe weather will follow. Yeah. I'm going to be ending stream pretty soon. So I will be catching you guys later today. I don't know when I'm going to go live, when the severe weather really amps up. I'm going to be going live. We're going to be covering Iowa and also near Wisconsin. I think it's Idaho. I'm not sure. Hold up. Sorry. Let me just check something. Oh, dang it. Checking something. Guys, any questions before I end the stream? Any questions before I end stream? Any questions before I end the stream? Just waiting. Any questions? I'm going to be waiting 2 minutes for questions. Just open the National Hurricane Center's page. Okay, no questions. Hope you enjoyed the stream, and hope you enjoyed the stream, guys. I'll be live later today. Make sure to tune in, and bye, guys.